No matter what they do or say, me love these girls be solace. Straight as I don't bizarre. That's the way, my way. Got a milli girls. Uptown, downtown girls. Fresh meat, run down girls. Got a milli girls. Light skin, albino girls. Eyes like Eskimo girls. Got a milli girls. Small frame, petite girls. Fat as big teeth girls. Got a milli girls. Dark skin, African girls. Asian, Latino girls. Let me tell you what me like. Girl them foreign, the girl them white. Girl darker than the Arabian night. Girl who are cute and sexy and tight. Tell me it's alright if I tell you what I like. Girls who are heavy, blow like dynamite. Slim girls, smooth skin, no cellulite. African queens that don't internet. Tell me it's alright if I tell you what I like. No matter what they do or say, me love these girls, be it night or day. Straight as an out on me, never stray. That's the way, my way. Got a milli girls. Uptown, downtown girls. Fresh meat, run down girls. Got a milli girls. Light skin, albino girls. Eyes like Eskimo girls. Got a milli girls. Small frame, petite girls. Fat as big teeth girls. Got a milli girls. Dark skin, African girls. Asian, Latino girls. She I love it when me touch her belly button. Love the touching and the kissing and the hugging. Tell me everything that she imagine, that she needing, that she wanting. Every day that she coming, she not care what they say every day. That's why she a say, baby boy don't stray. That's why she not link with a friend anyway. Me a say, baby girl, me not go nowhere. Girls. Uptown, downtown girls. Fresh meat, run down girls. Got a milli girls. Light skin, albino girls. Eyes like Eskimo girls. Got a milli girls. Small frame, petite girls. Fat as big teeth girls. Got a milli girls. Dark skin, African girls. Asian, Latino girls. No matter what they do or say, me love these girls, be it night or day. Straight as an out on me, never stray. That's the way, my way. Got a milli girls. Uptown, downtown girls. Fresh meat, run down girls. Got a milli girls. Light skin, albino girls. Eyes like Eskimo girls. Got a milli girls. Small frame, petite girls. Fat as big teeth girls. Got a milli girls. Dark skin, African girls. Asian, Latino girls.